Hello everyone, welcome to this session on Introduction to CFD of Rotating Machinery Flows. This particular session or lecture is part of the advanced course on Rotating Machinery Flow Modeling by Learn CAX. Let us see what are we going to learn in this particular session. First, we are going to see what are rotating machinery, what are the different equipments that come under this category, how they work, what sort of working principle they have. Then we are going to see applications and examples. We are going to see types of rotating machinery, what are the different categories and classifications. After that, we are going to see classification of rotating machinery flows. And then we are going to see what is the application of CFD for rotating machinery flow analysis, and overview of different types of CFD models that are made in order to model rotating machinery flows. So seeing all these videos, we come to ask ourselves that in the industry, there are a lot of equipments and devices which have rotating components. So what are turbo machinery, or what is the term turbo machinery? Machines which add work or extract work from a fluid by rotating component are known as turbo machinery. As we saw, there are a lot of examples: compressors, fans, pumps. These all add work to achieve a pressure rise in the fluid. Whereas turbines, windmills extract work from fluid to produce work or drive other machines. There are also mixing equipments. Machines which are designed to mix fluid and possibly solids as well for use in chemical processing applications come under this category. Industrial mixing tanks are an example. Other devices also come under turbo machinery, which is examples are disc cavities, labyrinth seals in gas turbines, engines, electric motor, disc drives, rotating tires on automotive wheels. All these have some sort of moving or rotating components which are used in order to add or extract work from a fluid. Rotating machinery are machineries or machines or equipments which have rotating component as their principal driving force. So we will review one by one some of these. First is compressors. In these, transport of gas at increased pressure is used as a working principle. After that, there are turbines. Turbines have a rotary device which extract work from a working fluid. Fans are the next example, which transport gas at high volume flow rate and low pressure. Pumps also come under this category, which transport fluids, liquids, particularly at increased pressure. Blowers, which are similar to pumps but deal with gases. Mixing tanks, in which there are impeller which are rotating and it causes stirred action of the fluid for chemical reaction processing, also come under this category. What are the different types of turbo machinery devices? First is the axial machines. In this, flow through the machine is usually aligned with the axis of rotation. Examples are propellers, axial fans, compressors, turbines, swirlers, etc. Second, we have centrifugal machines. In this, flow through the machine is generally perpendicular to the axis of rotation. Examples are liquid pumps, centrifugal fans, compressors, and radial turbines. Third category is the mixed flow machines. In these, flow through the machine is somewhere between axial and centrifugal. So they come under the mixed category. Examples are mixed flow compressors or pumps. These are all machines that we have seen till now, and their working principle, what sort of physics they handle in order to produce work or extract work. But there is also flow of working fluid in this. So it is not just components or parts which are rotating. There is also fluid which is along with the parts it is rotating. So rotating machinery or turbo machinery are those machines which add or extract work from a fluid. So the primary component is the fluid, that is the working fluid. Other use of rotating machinery is in mixing also, which is mixing of fluids for chemical processing. The process consists of moving fluids and rotating blades. Devices which extract energy come under the category of turbines. Devices which add energy come under the category like pumps, compressors, blowers, fans. All these devices come under a generalized term called rotating machines or turbo machines or turbo machinery. Based on whether they add work or extract work, we have seen that there are two classifications of rotating machinery. Now another classification is based on two separate criteria, one based on physics and another based on direction of flow. Based on physics, rotating machines are classified on the fluid they work upon. So those which handle compressible fluids like aircraft engine, stationary gas turbines, steam power plants come under one category, whereas those which handle incompressible fluids like pumps, hydraulic turbines come under another category. Based on flow direction, there are three particular types. First is axial flow device. If the flow through the device, if the fluid flow is roughly along the direction of axis of the machine, these are known as axial flow devices. Second is centrifugal flow devices, in which the flow direction has a radial element and it is referred to as centrifugal flow machines. And then there are mixed flow devices wherein there is axial as well as the centrifugal component of the velocities of the working fluid.